friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Pixio PXC348C 34-inch UWQHD curved gaming LCD. So friend, gaming monitor brand Pixio will release a 34-inch curved liquid crystal display PXC348C with a WQHD with a UWQHD resolution and friend with a refresh rate of 144Hz and response time of 1 millisecond. This employs a high contrast VA method and support high speed drawing, and additionally the display synchronization technology AMD FreeSync Premium is included and are 6 preset functions that can be customized according to the application, and a loss hotkey that displays a cross overlay, a blue light reduction function that reduces blue light by up to 70%, and the screen which features such as flicker free that elements flicker, and the primary specification include a curvature of 1500R, brightness of 450 nits, a contrast ratio of 4000 gem1, a color gamut of 122.6% sRGB, 90.35% DCI-P3, a display color gamut of 16.7 million colors, and a horizontal or vertical viewing angle of 178 degree, and HDMI 2.0x2, DisplayPort 1.4x1, USB Type-C into 1, earphone jack into 1, and built-in stereo speaker with a 2W into 2 outputs. And the stand features a tilt range of -5 to 20 degrees, a swivel range of -20 to 20 degrees, a pivot range of -5 to 5 degrees, and height range of 0 to 90 mm. And the external dimensions are 809 mm in width, 219 mm in depth, 522 mm in height, and it will be comes with a weight of 7.10 kg. And if I talk about the pricing, this unit is cost to price $509. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.